I'm Emily with Marex TV. This is the 440 Gourmet Cruiser. This is all my stuff. The question is, where are we gonna put it? Thank God for this, we're gonna need that later. And that's the last one. All right, so we got everything on board. Now let's start tackling putting away the galley. There's actually these nice racks in here to help them stay still while the boat's moving. That's everything. Just have to plug in the coffee maker. Excuse the Vanna white, but it all fits really nicely.